Here's everything that I got from Walter Mart. I got this. One for church and then one for yung pinsan namin dito. So from supermarket ata, I got this as pasalubong. One for us and then isa kina Zayu. Tapos I got this kasi ako yung naka-assign for something yellow. Hello Panda, and I got so many. I got a lot of chocolate para sa mga prizes namin sa Thanksgiving party sa church. So this is from Pandayan Shop. I got this. This is parang ganito book na may chocolate shoes. Sobrang cute niya. Napakita ko rin sa Riyaya vlog ko. So I got two, one for me and then one for church. I also got this from Price, from Trolley. Meron tayong ganito. For church to lahat. Ito din, sa kapatid ko. And ito din, pang price din natin. Hello Kitty wipes. Random prices. I got this for my friend. Prices. Kapatid ko. Ito pang price din. For exchange gift, 100 pesos only. Pero may nakita akong tig 130 sa Japan Home Center. So, ito yung relo na kulay brown. Unisex. From Mr. DIY. Pang prices din. Ball pens. Brick games. I think yun lang. That's all for our Christmas gifts and prizes. Bye!